If you are just starting your YouTube channel, there is a good chance you're wasting your time on the wrong things. I made all the rookie mistakes, bad thumbnails, inconsistent uploads, zero strategy, and I wish someone had just told me what matters. So, if you want to skip the frustration and just grow, this video is for you. My name is Jacob, and 4 years ago I started my YouTube channel with zero idea of what I was doing, with the thought that being consistent enough is all it takes, right? My growth was painfully slow. So that's why I'm making this video and giving you 5 of my best tips that I wish someone had told me and I could skip the struggles and start the right way from day one. Focus on clicks, not just great content. I thought good video speaks for itself. It doesn't, because people decide to click on your video based on your thumbnail and title. And that's the harsh truth. If you don't get people to click on your stuff, they won't see your videos, they won't see your content. Study thumbnails, test titles, make people curious enough that they click on your stuff. Focus on packaging, then deliver, because if people don't click on your stuff, don't see your stuff, they would not know how good your videos are. Packaging is important because you're competing with thousands of people, and you just need a way to stand out. Watch time is more the number of videos. You can make hundreds of videos and still not see any growth. I was focusing on making as many videos as possible, while I should have been focusing on making the retention better, making people watch my stuff for longer, putting more time into hooks, putting more time into the actual quality of my video. Because what YouTube cares about is for people to spend as much time as possible on your channel. Even click next video after they watched one of your videos. Sort of like keeping this session time as long as possible. The quantity is better than quality. It might sound kind of misleading that I just told you that I should have focused more on making my videos better, right? But the truth is, it really depends on the person and on the situation where you are currently in. Let me explain. If you're just starting out and you know absolutely nothing about videos and how to make videos, how to edit, how to do anything, record, do stuff, then you should focus on quantity, because getting those reps in, learning more about this process, creating videos, and actually having the practice that you need to improve your video, the quantity is going to teach you far more, far faster. That means learn how to make good videos. Then when you know how to make good videos, optimize for retention, and then double down on the amount of videos you produce, because I still believe that getting as many videos out with like the highest possible quality you can produce is what builds familiarity with your face, with your brand, and people need to see you often enough to build a trust, so they subscribe, so they watch your stuff, so they eventually buy something from you, right? So yes, quantity and quality are both very important, as much as staying consistent, because if you can't stay consistent enough, however good your videos might be, but you just lack the consistency and you post once every 2 months, you're probably not going to grow fast. So keep this in mind and you will grow and learn faster. If you found this video helpful so far, I've got something special coming for you. Because I'm launching a dedicated community to help people just like you grow their YouTube, sharing everything I've learned, plus weekly calls where I will review your specific videos and give you specific tailored advice to your channel so you can grow faster, on top of being in a community where people are trying to grow and support each other. So if you want to be amongst the first to save your spot or even grab a quick discount before it launches, sign up to my newsletter, link in description, and as a gift you literally get a Notion template that's been with me from the day one and helped me grow and also improved over the years I've been using it. So trust me, it's a game changer, and I will see you there. Another tip I believe can save you in hours is pick a niche. This is something I personally struggled with my channel, because I started off making videos about self-improvement, then the algorithm randomly picked a video about down phone, so I got to this point where I don't really want to be talking about down phones, and I'm not exactly sure what kind of content would perform well with my current audience, right? Which means if you define your niche specifically at the beginning, you save yourself so much hassle, because you would not have to deal with these kind of problems. And all you really need to do is stick with the topic and make videos. So algorithm knows who you are making videos for. The people who are watching your videos know what your videos are about and know what to expect from you, and you will know what you are making videos about, and it just makes your life so much easier. So don't make the same stupid mistakes I did, and don't just post random stuff. Nobody cares at first, and that's okay. Trust me, I know what it feels like to spend hours editing, working on a video, filming, doing everything you think it's right, and still getting 12 views. It feels awful, but it's a part of the game, because nobody owns you their attention. You have to earn it. You have to give them something in exchange for their attention, for the time spending on the video. Every creator starts with zero. Just keep learning, keep improving, and the right audience will find you, because the name of the game is to stay consistent for long enough. So if I could start all over again, I would focus more on studying a popular channel in my niche, spend time batch filming, using templates, and focus on one niche. The momentum is what matters. Don't spread yourself too thin. And if this video helped you, consider hitting a subscribe. Remember the link in the description, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.